Goat checks made easy. Meh. Meh. Here they come. Zuleika. Just because you think there's food. Meh. Meh. Yeah, they won't do anything to you, honestly. Meh.
About 20. It's a bit like a giant dog walk, especially that one.
So hopefully I can catch the one with the limpy leg and we can see what's wrong with it. Zoe, do you want to come and hold this one and I can see if I can catch?
Yeah.
Meh.
There's nothing
Meh.
there, mate. Nothing there, mate.
Meh. Hey,
Nothing
Zuleika. Meh. Can you see it limping?
Yeah.
Meh. There you go. Can you see that one limping, guys?
Which one?
The one with the black head and a black shoulder.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can slowly get to it and catch it. Zuleika, you never come near me. You think I've got food. Oh, you just put snot on me. You need your foot trimmed as well. Look on there. Oh, it's going off with the mother. See if I can catch it. Yeah, I don't think I can catch it. And if I chase them, it's Cruella's daughter, and she's pretty lively like the mother. So I think I'll just probably injure even more. But I keep watching her and see how she gets on. Might have sprained it or something.